In the 70s, regulators killed muscle cars, so Dodge built the muscle truck. Meet the 1978 Little Red Express, my dad's 40-plus year treasure. Well, here we are in beautiful Pennsylvania. Got a little bit of snow last night, so the canyon has a healthy coating of ice. A little something different today, taking a look at the truck that's hidden behind these garage doors. What I was hoping to show you today, looks like we'll have to do it from inside the garage because I don't think we want to roll out the classic out into the snow in this weather. All right, Dad, we're here with your 1978 Dodge Little Red Express truck. Why don't you tell us a little bit about it?
Okay, well, I've had this probably at least 40 years. In 1978, they made 2,100 plus. And in 1979, they made 5,000 plus. It has a 360 Police Interceptor engine in it. Actually, they had a race between this and a Corvette in 78, and this beat the Corvette in a quarter mile. It was listed as the fastest truck in 1978, and it was the last of the little hot rod trucks. They didn't put any of the smog stuff on the 78s. In 1979, they had to put all that smog stuff on the engine. But it's been a good truck. I had it a long time, had it restored, repainted, and it's a good collector item.
Yeah. So, for viewers out there, when I was in high school, this was my favorite truck to drive around with my buddy Dave. Back then, the tires actually on the back, I think you had, the guy you bought it off of had some bigger tires in the back, so sort of jacked up on the back end a little bit. But so yeah, we used to hot rod around. But,
they have, it came with two different size wheels on it in the back and the front. So when you ever had a flat, you had to use one spare would fit, but you had to get it changed right away. I take it to a lot of shows and stuff. I won a few trophies with it. And I think I only got a little over 84,000 miles on the whole truck.
Yeah.
But I had the engine overhauled back when I first got it.
Yeah, it's got some cool features. The actual real wood panels here on the side, and I think if I recall, the bed actually
this is
all wood.
The bed's real nice.
Oh yeah. See, and those all been refinished, new boards you put in there. But
yeah, this has like 7 coats of hand rubbed spar varnish on it, and I got the chrome or stainless steel strips to put in it.
Yeah.
Originally, it had a red floor and red strips.
Yeah, you don't see them like that anymore.
No, you don't. You don't haul no wood in this thing.
Yeah. Mostly for looking, not for actual hauling these days. But I think that was the point of the truck when it came out. Part of the reason they made them was to get around some of the EPA rules at the time. They couldn't make the hot rods, but there was a way they could circumvent that with the truck. So that gave birth to this idea here.
And they made a couple kind. They made a Warlock, which was a green one, and they made a Midnight Express, which was a black one like the Little Red.
Yeah.
And that was the Midnight Express.
Well, it's a little something different for the channel today. I just thought I'd share this while I'm up here in beautiful Pennsylvania. It's starting to snow now, so we don't want to take this thing out on the road. Too nice for that, but hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing something a little different. This is definitely a classic truck and brings back lots of great memories for me. For those of you that have stuck around until the end, thanks for allowing me to share a little bit of where I'm from. Let us know your thoughts on this classic truck in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this content, please do like and subscribe.